know the previous year's question, how the questions are and from which portion they are asking. First question, you should note down if you want to make a note for the CPCB exam. We will continue this series. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get further updates. Starting with the first question for today. The objectives of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 is what? And the options are to preserve the biodiversity, protection and conservation of wildlife, to maintain essential ecological and life supporting system, or all of the above. So here, what will be the answer? The answer will be the objectives. All these three are the objectives of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So all of the above will be the correct option for this question. Next is the first major environmental protection law promulgated in India was what? Air Act, Water Act, Environmental Protection Act, or Motor Vehicle Act. So here this is asking which was the first major environmental protection law. So how to know? If you know which year these acts were enacted, then you can say easily. So next question is, thinner particles responsible for deteriorating the air quality resulting in the damage of vital body organs are referred as PM what? So this is not Prime Minister, these are particulate matter. Particulate matter of what? 20, 10, 2.5 or 1. You should think. I will let you know this answer after few seconds. So here you will be confused in between particulate matter 2.5 and particulate matter 10. So particulate matter 10 are a bit larger in size, but particulate matter 2.5 are smaller in size, that is telling their size, that is 2.5 micron. So this is the thing that is causing more damage to our body organs, especially the lungs, and our body is getting affected due to PM 2.5 more. So that will be the correct option, 2.5. PM 10 also damages, but PM 2.5 is more deteriorating because it is very small and it can go inside our body easily. Let's move to the next questions which is coming in the CPCB previous year's question. The question is, methods used for softening water containing permanent hardness are what? So it is asking about the hardness of water, where calcium, magnesium, other chemicals are there which is making the water harder, which is the technical term which is called as hard water. So which process is used to convert the hard water into soft water? And here the techniques are given: lime soda process, zeolite process, reverse osmosis, or all of the above. You have to think carefully. So here the correct option will be all of the above. So these all process, lime soda, zeolite, reverse osmosis, all are the process which are used for softening the hard water. That means to removing the chemicals which are causing the hard water, that is magnesium, calcium, all these oxides and total dissolved solids, all these things. So it will be option D. All of this will be the method for converting the hard water into soft water, that is permanent hardness they are removing. Next question is, which one is non-luminous? Non-luminous means which is not having its own light. So here the options are moon, sun, star, or comet. So this is a very basic general question. It will be moon, because moon is not having its own light. It is taking the sun's light which is luminous. Star is also luminous. Comets are also luminous, and moon is not luminous because it is taking the light of sun and then it is reflecting. So it is not having its own light, so it is non-luminous. Next question is also general from the physics, you can say, and it is, in which one of the following sound travels fast? So sound travels fast in which? Solid, air, water, or vacuum? So here the correct option will be it travels faster in the solid medium, because in solid the particles are very closely attached. So as a result it is able to move from one place to another very quickly. But it is moving less faster as compared to the water, air and vacuum in solid. In vacuum it is not at all moving. Its speed is 0. Why? Because in vacuum there are no particles inside that. That means it is vacuum. It is the meaning of vacuum. So if no particles are there, then how the sound will be able to move? Nothing is there as a carrier. सो वैक्यूम में जो है साउंड का स्पीड 0 होता है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज दैट वैक्यूम में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. नो, इन वैक्यूम द साउंड ट्रेवल्स नॉट एट ऑल, दैट इज 0 स्पीड इज देयर. So now we can see from which areas these questions are asked. We can have a guess and we can continue this discussion in the upcoming video series. So it is from the Environmental Protection Acts and the laws and when the convention was done. So these things are coming from here, and also here air pollution, water pollution, and the device also which are used to remove the air pollutants, the techniques to remove air pollutant, and here techniques to remove water pollutant also it is there, because permanent hardness, how it is cured. These areas you should focus on, and these are the general question which is coming from the general areas, the which is non-luminous, which travels faster, basic physical question. And now I will tell you in both the question the chemistry part how it comes. Chemistry part means it is not telling that you have to draw the diagram or you have to guess the diagram of some organic compound. It is also coming from the environmental science sector only. So no need to worry about that. You can see part 2 chemistry section what the question was. The question was, in which year UN Conference on Environment at Stockholm, Sweden was held. So this is from the environmental science, but it is coming under the chemistry portion. So it will be what? It will be option 2, 1972 में UN Conference on Environment हुआ था स्वीडन में, जो कि persistent organic pollutant के ऊपर था. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी देख लेते हैं केमिस्ट्री के अंडर में जो आया है. Which is or are the following secondary pollutants? Sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, peroxyacetyl nitrate, or all of these. So PAN, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate, it will be the secondary pollutant, and this is coming from where? It is coming from environmental chemistry. Ozone, the chemistry of ozone, primary pollutant, secondary pollutant, these area only you should focus on. And simply if you are focusing on the UGC net syllabus, if your preparation is well and good, no need to worry about, because it is coming from that portions only. So here option C will be correct, because sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, they are primary pollutants. They are released from the sources. They are not mixed with other chemicals as PAN is mixed. PAN is formed from the mixing of other primary pollutants. That's what makes it secondary pollutant. जो primary pollutant जो है, जो रिलीज होते हैं, उनके मिलने के बाद ही एक secondary pollutant बनता है. So peroxyacetyl nitrate or PAN is a secondary pollutant. Next thing was from the chemistry portion I have taken as a reference, the degradation of environmental pollutants by living microorganism is known as what? It is known as bioremediation. Very easy question, not nanoremediation, chemoremediation. Living, life, life means bio, bios means life. So living microorganism को यूज करके जब हम environmental pollutant को degrade करते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं bioremediation. So you can see in the chemistry portion also, it is coming from the environmental science only. No need to worry if you are going and seeing those syllabus, that GATE syllabus of chemistry and the syllabus for DUMSC, it is good, but it will cause more problem in your mind. It will be giving you the bad and negative impression that we have to be more focused on all these many subjects. So don't focus on that. Focus on whatever thing is available with us. These previous questions are best thing. We can practice this and we can get good marks. So these were the areas which you should focus on. The water treatment, solid waste management. So we will discuss in the coming videos. If you want more such videos, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Subscribe the channel ZakLiT to get further updates. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.